The Knowledge School, Kite Campus, Lahore. Lecture number 16, Class 4, Subject Science, Unit number 4, Food and Diet, Revision. Objective Worksheet. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, your muscle and organs are largely made up of dash. The answer is proteins. Number 2, there are dash types of carbohydrates. The answer is 2. Number 3, complex carbohydrates are dash. The answer is starches. Number 4, dash comes from the ground and from water. The answer is minerals. Number 5, dash is rich in the mineral iron. The answer is red meat. Number 6, dash are made by plants and animals including human. The answer is vitamins. Number 7, fats and dash are also good for the skin. The answer is oils. Question number 2, match the column. Number 1, vitamin D is good for bones. The answer is bones. Number 2, oranges are rich in vitamin C. The answer is vitamin C. Number 3, fats are solids. The answer is solids. Number 4, complex carbohydrates are rice, corn, beans. Number 5, protein is made up of amino acids. The answer is amino acids.